How to scroll on a Mac. You can scroll on a Mac using various methods, depending on your preference and the device you are using. Here are some common ways to scroll on a Mac. 1. Two-finger scrolling. If you have a trackpad, you can use 2 fingers to scroll up or down. Place 2 fingers on the trackpad and move them up or down to scroll. 2. Mouse scrolling. If you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, you can use it to scroll up or down. Roll the scroll wheel up or down to scroll. 3. Keyboard scrolling. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to scroll up or down. Press the up arrow key to scroll up and the down arrow key to scroll down. 4. Scroll bar scrolling. You can also use the scroll bar to scroll up or down. Click and drag the scroll bar up or down to scroll. These methods should work for most applications and web pages on your Mac. If you are using a specific application that requires a different method of scrolling, you may need to refer to that application's documentation for instructions. Occasionally your mouse or trackpad won't scroll properly, or the keyboard shortcuts won't do what they are supposed to. That's usually because there is some sort of software issue behind the scenes on your Mac, perhaps a conflict between files or a settings file that has become corrupt. The best way to prevent this type of problem is to carry out regular maintenance on your Mac. And the easiest way to do that is to use an app designed for that purpose. We recommend Clean My Mac X. Its maintenance module can run regular maintenance scripts, free up RAM, and repair disk permissions very quickly and easily. It will also thin out Time Machine snapshots and free up purgeable space.